Hello folks, Armando Barbosa here with Vision Mortgage Company, bringing you the Vision Mortgage Minute, information you should know about the mortgage industry in about a minute or so. Today's program is a continuation of a previous program that we talked about, and that is our Alt-A financing. Now, Alt-A financing is everything else but FHA, VA, and conventional financing with Fannie Mae. So it's your atypical type of financing, and it's financing that we have offered for many years. The programs that we're going to be talking about today is a no-income program. It's called an investor cash flow product. And what's unique about our investor cash flow product, first of all, the FICO scores go down to about 600. We do have lesser FICO scores at lesser loan to values and high interest rates, but the typical program that we do is around 600 for a FICO score. It allows for a cash out transaction. In other words, if you have an investment property, a rental that you have leased, then we can draw cash up to about 65% of the current appraised value of that property. If you're simply trying to refinance a balance that you owe, it'll be about 75%. Now, again, the credit score model that we look at is about 600. If you have a 660 FICO score, better credit gives you a higher loan to value. You can go up to, say, as much as 80% and still do a cash out transaction. There's no personal income on this, no tax returns, no 4506, no profit and loss statement, nothing. All you have to do is show your lease agreement. Now, the key to this program is that the new PITI, the new principal, interest, taxes, insurance that we're going to come up with, cannot exceed essentially the rent. Okay, so if you've got $1,200 a month in rent coming in on a property, your payment can't be over $1,200. It's very simple. In some cases, some of the lenders do want a little bit of a buffer, so we have to be careful with that. And in some cases, they're a little looser depending on the FICO score. There's no limit on the amount of properties that you can have under this particular program. In some cases, Fannie Mae does limit you to 10 properties. In this case, no limit. That's great. You must own a primary residence. That means you have to have a house right now, and you have to have a mortgage history on that house. Now, if it's paid free and clear, we go back and we show that you have it paid and clear, free and clear rather, for a longer period of time, and we're okay with that too. If you've had an unfortunate circumstance like a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, a deed in lieu of foreclosure that has a 2-year seasoning, that means that if it happened within the last 2 years, we're not going to be able to do the loan. But if it's over 2 years, no problem. Come on in. So the minimum loan amount rather under this product is $75,000, and the maximum is $1 million. Now this is perfect for folks that have acquired homes for fix and flip purposes. Maybe you bought a great deal and you snapped into that deal with hard money, and now you're trying to get a more manageable rate and go into the future with that. So as you can see, Vision Mortgage Company offers atypical loan products that are not your normal bank offered rates and programs. So give us a call. Visit us on our website at www.visionmortgageco.com. Ask for myself, Armando Barbosa, or Joey Barbosa. We're both licensed here. In about a week, we're going to talk about some of our amazing construction loan products. So tune in again. You can also see us on YouTube, where all of these sessions are taped. And as always, happy house hunting.